Hi, Jacob here, and in this quick tip video I'm going to show you how the new selfie camera works on the iPhone 17 series, where you can take landscape and portrait selfies without ever having to turn your phone. So the fact that I'm stood here in the wind, in the cold, squinting at the camera, is because I've got a friend that I want to get in the selfie, and I just can't fit my friend in the portrait mode because he's massive. So what I'm going to do is tap this new button, which will switch to the landscape orientation, and look, it's my giant Lego minifigure friend here at Billund at the Lego headquarters. Of course, I couldn't come all this way and not find a way to make a quick tip about this figure, surely. So now I've gone into landscape mode, I can take a selfie, and what's nice here is that because my phone is still being held portrait, I'm not looking off to the side like this for the camera, I'm looking straight ahead so my eyes are looking at the photo. And then of course I can toggle between landscape and portrait selfies, zoomed in and zoomed out, using those two buttons on the bottom there. And this is made possible because the iPhone 17 has got a square camera sensor. So actually it's looking at a square picture of you the whole time, but it's displaying either a portrait or a landscape crop, based on what you'd like. I've only been using it for 2 weeks, but already this selfie camera feels so good compared to the previous one, and I really like the customization we've got with it. And so, from me and Billund, that's it for this quick tip. But if you want to learn loads more about what your iPhone can do, check out our YouTube channel down below, and make sure you subscribe while you're there. And now I'm off to Lego House. I'll see you next time.